DJI Mini 5 Pro, point of interest. Got that coming up next. Bill Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. A picture perfect day in the state of Florida. It is absolutely ideal. It was an absolutely ideal day to go out and fly the Mini 5 Pro. Today we went ahead and did one of my favorite intelligent flight features called point of interest. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're going to take the DJI Mini 5 Pro up and we're going to do point of interest, one of my favorite intelligent flight features. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started here. All right, that is underway. We have 27 satellites, and I think we are good to go. Let's go ahead and take off then. Want to get the video started. Okay, that is underway, and we're now finally ready to take off. All right. Okay, we are good to go. Got a moderate breeze today. It's about 15 to 20 miles an hour, so it's a little more than usual today. You can get it up to about 100 feet like we like here. Absolutely picture perfect day today. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. It's just absolutely my favorite time of year in Florida, by far, without any question. Low humidity, upper 70s. This is it. I wish Florida would be like this all year round, but no such luck. So go ahead, and what I'm going to do is back this up because we're going to be doing a point of interest shot here. Okay. POI. Yeah, that would help. Getting that icon out of the way would make a difference here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and get started here. It's using the Clubhouse as a point of interest here. Absolutely love this feature. Since DJI has brought it out, it's one of my favorites because you can control so much what is done with this. I absolutely love it, and you can see it's getting a incredible perspective, not only of the clubhouse but the pool area as well. Now see, I opted to do it on the fast side, so this is taking quite a bit faster than I've done it before in previous videos. Again, this is just absolute, like I said, the weather is just, you can't beat the weather today. It is just so nice out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop. And we're going to just do point of interest again here. However, we're going to go in the other direction. And it's going at about 15 miles an hour, which is really nice. You can do it slow and slow it down so you can catch a lot of details, but I'm really liking the speed that it's at this day. And again, remember, it's even though it is doing it automatically as far as the rotation is concerned, this will keep going until the battery's gone. So you need to select a point with which you want to stop this. And we're going to come up to the point we're going to go ahead and stop here in a second. Okay, we are stopped. Now we're going to go ahead and head up to the, going to exit out of the mode right now. We're going to head up to the fountain and do the same thing up there. Mini 5 Pro is everything I've expected it to be, and then some. I am by far and away my favorite mini drone that DJI's ever come out with. The capabilities and of this are just absolutely incredible. Okay, we're coming up on the fountain here. Let's go a little past it here, and we're going to turn around. Back up just a little bit. See, I got some signal interference. I'm getting that again. I've gotten that a couple of times here, so really kind of don't know what the deal is with that. All right, let's get back into the mode. Okay, it's enabled. So let's go ahead and draw a box around that. Let's do point of interest. And there we go. Now again, I'm doing this fast. You can adjust the speed of this if you want. I had done it previously on a lot of the other videos on slow to catch details, but I'm enjoying this speed as well too, because you're still getting all the details with this. It maintains a good altitude and a good speed. I really like that. It's around 15 miles an hour. And again, remember, you have to stop this manually. Otherwise, it will keep going. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop. And now we'll do point of interest, but we're going to go in the other direction here. And also, too, as a reminder, you do need to start the video manually. Really kind of surprised, since a lot of people have been talking about signal interference. The DJI has not put out a firmware update regarding that. Great perspective of the fountain behind it here. You can see that land right all behind it is vacant. They did that on purpose. Be stopping it here in any second now. Come about full circle. Okay, we are done. X to X out of the mode. And we are going to go ahead and do return to home.
Return to home.
70% battery. Again, 32 satellites. I'm just so impressed with that, with the Mini 5 Pro. It's just absolutely fantastic, the number of satellites you're able to get. And I know other people have commented on that as well in my previous videos that I've put out there about the Mini 5 Pro. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Let's take a look and see how we do. Okay, it's spotting the H here.
Landing.
Okay, the H is on the mat, so we're right adjacent to it. Let's see how it does. Like I said, it's about a good 15-mile-an-hour wind today, so you can hear those motors compensating for the wind. So, and you can see maybe, yeah, it is bouncing around quite a bit. All right, that was a spot-on landing in a very successful test of point of interest for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI Mini 5 Pro point of interest? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.